Get ready with a gay Igbo man who is juicy, glowy, sexy, moisturized, hydrated, and unbothered, divinely protected by my ancestors, doing what needs to be done. We are fabulous over here. Okay, let's get into this outfit quickly. I am wearing this baseball cap. It's an oldie. I've had this for some time. The tank top is from Cause. The cargo jeans is from H&M. This shirt from Tommy Hilfiger. I remember when I bought this shirt. It was one day I finished work and there was a sale at House of Fraser on this gate in Manchester, and I went in and bought two shirts, and I've had this for years. I gave the other one to a close friend of mine. They were visiting from Nigeria and they liked it. This Prada monolith, these two rings, wristwatch from Tissot, and these two bracelets. Sultan Vetiver by Nishane, Tom Ford perfume. This tote bag from Oh My Bag, Amsterdam. Thank you so much for getting ready with me. If you have watched up until here, let us know what you think in the comment section. Like and share. Listen to Igbo Queer and Unfiltered. The podcast is released every Tuesday. You can listen to the podcast on every podcast platform that you listen to your podcast on. Subscribe to the African Gay Igbo Vlog channel. Have a wonderful time. I will see you in the next one.